possible next actions?
Well, to be perfectly clear, we're not even sure if a motion for reconsideration is something that we're allowed to do. That's parang wala yan sa rules nung huli naming tiningnan. Of course, there's always the possibility of going up because, as I mentioned earlier, everything is subject to judicial review depending on the circumstances available. But we have not made that decision yet. So gusto ko lang i-clarify yon na this is something that we have to discuss as a team and also, of course, in consultation with our client, the respondent, no, Vice President. So, ano lang naman, yan yung mga, parati na kaming may kolatilya kasi para sa mga abogado na without prejudice to ganito, ganyan. But it doesn't mean that we will be doing it. It doesn't mean that we will not be doing it. But this is something we'll have to discuss amongst ourselves.
So there's a possibility na iakyat ba ninyo ito sa Supreme Court? That
remedy is always available, but as to is it possible, syempre anything is possible, but are we going to do it? Hindi pa namin napag-desisyonan, hindi pa namin napag-uusapan because as I said, no, hindi naman namin din kumbaga diniscount yung possibility na mangyari talaga ito, considering it happened in previous impeachment trials. Although, syempre, ang posisyon natin is nung corona trial na parati nilang kino-compare, marami nang nangyari in between, no? From then till now. That's why we had our legal position on the matter. But as I've said, we anticipated that this might happen and we're ready nonetheless.